Hi everyone, we have Shriya here. Shriya is an awesome mentor, and today is going to be
Hey,
today is going to be a continuation of yesterday's stuff. So we will be looking at a couple of things today, really, and we will be looking into how we can do some kind of like a dynamic change. And welcome to the sixth day of 30 days in React, and today is our sixth day, and I'm gonna move on to Shreya.
okay, so I'm going to introduce myself first. So, hey everyone, I'm Shriya Madan, currently completing my bachelor's in computer science. So, this is my final year, and I like taking part in various hackathons, events. Even I take part with Praveen a lot. So, but because of the chaos this pandemic has caused, we were all at home, and I seriously can't resist doing nothing. So I try to keep myself updated with technologies, get socialized a little bit like this only. And so I'm focusing on my tech stack, which is React and Node.js currently. And so here I am with Praveen, and making you all understand about the concept of dynamically uploading Favicon icon. So with Praveen, of course.
Okay, so today we have got Sonali, Deep, Sunil, and Satarupa. Hey, 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 everyone! And
Hey everyone.
YV is from Eddie Hub. Nice to meet you, and that's cool. Please bring all your friends. Today is going to be really interesting today, and let's get on without any uh, delay. And
Yeah,
cool. So
fast.
Shreya, you also had some kind of like a YouTube related project, right? Do you want to say
Yeah,
that
yeah.
quickly?
Yeah. We discussed about it earlier. It was actually a YouTube dashboard project where we had the option to view the number of subscribers by putting the channel name. It will show all the options related to that channel name, and then we can see the subscribers, the number of videos, and all. So it is really means using YouTube API. And in that project also, I will then make dynamic favicon. So it is like outstanding your project with the help of dynamic favicon. Otherwise, you have a choice. You can put static, but dynamic favicon will help to outstand your project a little bit with others.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so
that's something cool that she's done. And okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. I hope everyone just please confirm that if you are able to see the screen. So um, can someone please confirm you are able to see the screen on the live chat, please? Actually, I'll also check it out. Yeah, I guess I'm able to see that. Cool. So, right. The first thing that we are going to do here is, oh, I guess I shouldn't have done that. Anyway, so I'll go to the react.new. That's where we will be doing all the lazy stuff. So
yeah,
here,
code sandbox.
right, yeah, code sandbox. And this is going to open up the code sandbox page. And yes, nice, awesome. So here we will be creating the application. And now let me say something like this. Let's do something like, hey, what should we put? Like dynamic, crazy things.
So we can make a function, and on any condition, we can do that
No
dynamic
condition
changing
and
of
all. I'm just gonna
favicon.
directly do something like a event based thing. So people come here and click on something, and then something has to happen. Okay.
Yeah,
So
that will also be great.
what would be the best icons for Favicon? So yesterday we talked about branding, and in that branding part, we were telling about something related to the Favicon and other things. So now with that being said, what should we do for here? What
You
icon shall
can
we
have
have?
any. You can have cats, dogs images. I love
You're the
dogs.
best person. I'm a cat person, so I'll just go to you
Okay.
know
Yeah, I know that. That's why I said cats.
we'll go to flaticon.com.
Okay.
Flaticon.com has a lot of icons, so I'm just gonna put like cats. Oh, look at this. That's my
That's
logo.
cute.
Hey, that's my logo. That's cats and tech logo. Images. Oh, not this.
Cats in tech. Octacat.
There you go. So I redesigned the logo to look nice. So that's almost the similar one.
Okay, that's cute.
Okay, so we need a cute cats here. So let's say cat face, and I want it in a different color. So let's use an icon pack, and we'll do animals. Okay, this is looking cool. So I'm also gonna quickly check the YouTube live stream.
Yeah, please.
Thanks, Sunil and Deep. Okay, so in this guy is octopus, I guess. Oh, it's squid. Right. So I don't want squid. Let's go for a panda. Panda looks really cute. I hope it's
Yeah,
a PNG. No, it's not a PNG.
lazy
It's a
panda.
SVG.
Okay.
Okay, let's download it as a PNG. Um, wait, everywhere is it SVG? Okay, if I try to use PNG here, what does it do? No, it doesn't. No, this is bad. Okay, I'll just download the PNG because I would
Okay,
have only
yeah,
a couple of download.
while you are doing this stuff, let me explain them what are we actually going to do.
Go on.
We are going to use code sandbox. Many of you will be familiar with this already. That code sandbox is we don't have to download anything. We have the boilerplate itself there. So what we are doing is dynamic favicon, which means like if you are on any other tab, if your application has that dynamic favicon thing, like it will come a pop-up like a notification on that tab. Like earlier I guess WhatsApp used this feature, but now it isn't there.
It is still there.
So it is still there, yeah. So that's what we will be doing, and it's a really helpful feature, and it's always an option to do that. But if you want to outstand a project, then you should do it. So first we will be displaying a static favicon, right?
Yes.
And then
So
we will make
already
it
the
dynamic.
favicon is already there. So if you try to open this one, if I try saving this, um, so based on something, we are displaying nice favicons.
Yeah.
So that's what I did. I save it. And then the moment I save it, it's going to go into this. I'm just going to put, okay, you can see that it is a React tab and it shows our
Yeah.
default code sandbox icon. I'm going to put this link here in the YouTube comments. Cool.
Okay.
Hey, Karthikey. Nice to meet you here on live. So yes. So we have got a couple of icons now. So we have got some number of icons. I'm just gonna upload everything on what do you call this guy? IMGUR. So if I go here, I'll be able to upload everything here. So boom. Okay, so add. All right, not a problem.
Yeah.
I support Imgur.
Mm.
Okay, my question now is, are these all icons square or not?
Check the ratio.
Oh my god, I need to check this out. Okay. I believe they are all 512 by 512. Yes, 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 yes. They are all 512 by 512, so we can
Yeah.
happily use them. Okay, cool. Now, I'm gonna do something that is being considered taboo in case of React, because I'm going to access the DOM directly. So what we can do is, if you go to the index.html, this is where everything is displayed. So we have this particular thing called link.rel shortcut icon. This is where it is going to affect everything for you. Okay. So for
Yes.
this, I'm going to give an ID equal to favicon. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let's see if something is going to happen when I do a console.log inside this. Console.log document.get element by ID favicon. So let's see.
Why are you doing this DOM directly here?
I know we are not supposed to. Oh, We got it. See, the reason why I'm so confident I'm doing this thing is where does virtual DOM go in? Tell me. So let's
So
say
it will
we
be,
have this is the index.html. Here, where do you think the virtual DOM takes over?
so we will be rendering it in a function.
Yes. Do you think anything that is related to here will be holding the virtual DOM?
No, I don't know why you have put this here. Why is the HTML part here?
This is the place where it is going to hold the virtual DOM, because if you see the index.js, and
Yeah, yeah,
let me
this
put
file.
this in full screen. So if you see this here also, we are using the DOM, right?
Yeah,
Document.get
yeah,
element by ID root, because this is the first place where it is going to get into the DOM part. Now, if I go to our index.html, this is where we have got our div ID root. So how
yeah,
React works is, yes, React works on virtual DOM. You're not supposed to access the DOM items or anything, but
yeah.
however, there are some chances or some places where you are allowed to work on the real DOM. Like for example, if you need to get the reference of an element directly for getting the value and stuff like that, at that point of time, you have to use the real DOM. So for
Okay.
example, we already saw in connected components, remember?
Yeah, yeah.
So at that time we are using e.target.value. So the event.target is a real DOM.
Yes.
We are not changing anything though, but even if we change something, it is not going to affect it in the front end. But however,
Right.
what we are doing here is we are not touching anything inside this virtual DOM. This is where the virtual DOM will take over, but we are not touching anything inside this virtual DOM. But everything we are doing here is we are going to take this particular element which is away from the virtual DOM. Got it?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
And we are also going to do something called as document.title. So I'm going to try checking if that works too. So I'm going to do document.title. So I'll save this. It says React app here.
Yeah.
So if I try to change anything, I believe this is going to change. Okay. So now we need to also find out those links from IMGUR. Just let's see. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do is, oh, deep. Do you call it as imager? Imager. Okay, imager then.
Yes.
Right. So I'm gonna take these things. So cat is here, elephant, owl, owl, panda. Hey, you like panda, right? Num panda,
Yeah,
panda, python. Ah,
yeah.
hey, sorry, the dog is not there.
Oh, it's okay.
Uh, I'm a dog hater officially. Don't say
It's
anymore.
okay.
So const animals. I'm just gonna put as like first thing is meow. This one. So do you understand why I'm doing this? So I'm just
Yeah, yeah.
mapping these things. Okay, this is elephant. Then we have owl. To put owl. We have panda. Panda reserved word. No. And finally, we have muyal. What is this? Rabbit. Hey, what do you call rabbit in Hindi? Murg.
I don't know.
Don't know what. Okay.
Oh shit, I don't know.
That's awesome. Okay, great. Okay, so we have got all these things. Okay, so now we are going to look at this one and then we are going to do something with this. So we have got this link. Okay, and we have this href. Can we try to get the attribute of this? So dot get attribute, we can do that, and then we will use href here and then we will save. So it's saying like this. Okay,
Yeah.
So till that it is working. Okay, we have just that based on something we can display something. That's what we have given. So I'm going to open the styles.css. So this is okay for me for now. And I'm just going to put button, and I'll be giving something like nice button styles as well. So what I will do is
We
uh,
cannot import Bootstrap.
no, we don't want bootstrap for this, right? Why to take
Okay.
so much stress for this? So simply we
Yeah,
will
yeah,
do
right.
a div. I'm not even putting a class name here. I'll just put a class name.
Yeah, yeah.
Buttons actions. Okay. And
Yeah,
here I want to be lazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the object.keys of this animals, and I'm going to map on top of it. Okay.
yeah.
So that's going to be an animal. So what it needs to give me is a button.
Yes.
Okay. Always don't forget to add a thing here. Okay. We'll put animal here. Cool. We've got 5 buttons. I'm going to put animal here. Cool. So we've got all these buttons here, right?
Yeah, right.
And for now it looks like okayish. We need a const animal handler. So this is going to be the event. So we
Yeah.
need to prevent the default event. And for each animal, right?
We
Mm,
have to call. Uh,
actually, I don't want to do this way. I'll just put animal. And I just need to do, I'll just put a console.log so far. Okay.
okay.
And to see what is it coming in the animal, something like that. Okay. So
Yeah,
I'm going to get rid of, okay, these 2 things is what I want really. So I'll just put them here as well. Okay, cool. So animal handler is something that needs to be called when this on click function is done. Okay. So on click E, here I can do e.prevent default. And then I want to do animal handler
animal handler. Yeah.
of animal. So I'm just going to pass animal to this. Okay. Am I going too fast? I need to
Okay.
check
No,
the speed.
actually, we will explain a summary about it after we run
Sure.
it once. Yeah.
Hey, so far
Okay.
it is clear, right? So what I have done, I'll just show you. Okay. So if you look at this one, let me maximize it. So first thing is it's a functional component. It has some styles that's been added. Then I created an animals list.
Yeah.
Okay, it's an
all the
object in
images. Yeah.
it's an object in JavaScript.
Object. Okay.
Go
Yeah.
on.
It's object with all the animal names corresponding to the images we are going to have as a Favicon. And then we have this animal handler as a function where we are logging it, means out we will do the output of those one by one. And what are you doing now?
So on click of this animal handler, I'm doing a couple of things. Okay, so I'm just doing document.title, those kind of things I'm doing. Okay, so now if I go ahead and click on these things, for example, on click listener to be a function, got value of boolean. Wait, let's clear everything. Let's refresh everything. If I click on the cat, I'm getting it is a cat. It is the animal that's been sent over here is a cat, and this is the animal that's been sent. So let's see what is coming here. Cool. I've got the cat here. Perfect. And the current favicon, I'm able to access that. And the current title also, I'm able to access this. So these are the 2 things that I'm going to change, and I'm going to set these 2 things as them. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do now is, first thing, I'm going to set the title. So I'll just put something dynamically. So document.title equal to you chose animal, something like this. Okay, so you chose animal, which looks nice. And now we'll be setting this favicon. So what I'm going to do here is, instead of doing the get attribute, I'm going to use set attribute, and then comma, I'm going to do this animals of animal, which is going to have the URL of the animal here. So I'm just going to get rid of these two things. So setting the title, we know that's it. So this is all we are going to do.
Yeah.
Let me quickly update the style of this button. Okay. So this button would require a margin left as 10 px.
That's why
Cool.
I said for bootstrap.
Yeah. Let's try doing something without bootstrap. Border
Okay.
1 px solid ccf. Cool. BGC.
So this
Maybe.
all is done without any pre-preparation because
Yeah.
Praveen is coding expert, you don't need any preparation for such stuff.
Yuck. No
What is
preparation
this?
will bring you this way. Okay, I need something that is bluish color. So
Yeah,
FIFIFF. Oh, nice. This looks really nice. So I'm gonna also do box sizing, border box for everything,
what are you? Yeah,
and line height as 1, margin 0, padding 0. Yuck. But okay, let's get rid of margin and padding alone. Now for this guy alone, we'll give like padding of 5 pixels. Um, this is a problem with almost all the browsers. So the bottom thing has some padding, even though the line height is 1. Um, and we'll give the font family as Open
that's
Sans. I
correct.
love that. Hey, cool. So I'm just gonna do this as inherit, and for everything, I'm gonna do font family as Open Sans. Nice.
Yeah.
Uh, let's make it really like a button, okay? So we can give some
So
border radius as 3 px. Bootstrap uses 4 px, so let's use
can I increase
5 px.
the size of the button?
Font size maybe like 1.5 em. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
now it's
huge. Isn't that
1
huge?
It
Ah,
will be
okay,
visible
we'll
to
just
her
leave it like
phones.
this.
Yeah,
Maybe 15 pixels we'll give. Wow, cool. Um, I guess this 1.1 em. We will
1
give.
a.m. Okay, yeah,
Yeah, this
that's
looks
good.
good. Okay, so 15 px padding, and let's give 20 px padding here as well. So someone is pinging me on WhatsApp. I'm just gonna bring them here as well. Okay, so brought everyone inside what's sorry, inside this live stream now. So let's see. So this is what I have done so far, but doesn't look. There are a couple of things which I wanted to do as well, because like for the first child alone, so this will help in a lot of different things. See, I did the margin left as my 10 px, right? So I'm just
Yeah,
gonna do margin left 0, so that the first one now it is exactly centered, not
yeah,
like it's not completely centered. Then
yeah, right.
also we can do button hover, and oops, and we can do the background color as ccf.
Okay.
uh, so this, what happens is it's going to show this way. I want to give a cursor pointer here so that it looks like a link.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Now it's good.
finally, I want to do something like transition. So transition all 0.5 seconds, linear, not line height. So if I do this, cool, right?
Yeah, yeah. Now it's perfect.
Okay, better than bootstrap. Paka?
Yeah, sure.
So that's exactly what was my idea for not using bootstrap. Okay, let's
Okay.
quickly look at the YouTube live comments.
Yeah, I forgot about
Oh
that.
wow, so many people. Animesh, Sunil. What is Kargosh? Okay, I guess I know what
Oh,
it is
rabbit,
maybe.
rabbit.
Okay. Oh wow, congrats Sunil, you just got your live swag arrived. Ah, shit. Sorry, what is this? Hacktober
October 1st.
Fest swags arrived. Hey, congrats. Cool. Nice to know. And cool, let's go on. And in interest of time as well, we need to complete this quick. Okay, now We can't see anything at this point. Okay, unknown word. Okay, maybe it was like I was just refreshing it. Okay, now if I refresh it, we will be able to see these things. I'm going to
Yeah.
add this link here for everyone to see this.
Okay.
Any questions, folks? Please ask us. Okay, so the moment I click on this one, you chose cat and we got a dynamic cat meow.
Yeah.
You chose elephant,
Elephant.
owl,
Oh,
panda, rabbit. We'll
yeah,
choose
we have
cat.
done it. Okay.
Hey, that was very simple.
Finally completed it.
Finally
Yeah.
completed within the few minutes time, like less than half an hour, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
But at the same time, yes, we are able to look at people response as well. Hey, folks, just let us know what do you think, and please, please, please give this video a thumbs up and a like. Both are same, and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed before, please subscribe for more awesome things. And we are
And
almost
don't forget to check the description of this video
and connect with Shriya.
and
Woohoo!
Praveen also, my friends who don't know him.
A nice. So we got this dynamic stuff done, but at the same time, since we kind of like screwed it up, we didn't start at the right time or something like that. I wanted to show another thing as well. If we all have some more time, I'm just gonna
Yeah.
quickly show something. Okay, for some reason I'm not able to see this. Okay, there is this particular um, plugin or an extension that I saw. It is called favicon.js. So Shreya, to answer
Yeah,
your
yeah.
question, so we were look at this one. It has like numbers, so you can like make +1, and it also does something like animation. Did you see the animation coming in?
Yeah, yeah. So this
So
is
we can
very
do something
cool.
like this. So how am I gonna use this one on our sandbox? Maybe let me try doing like, no, not this one. So favicon. Okay, there is favicon.js. Yes, cool. And how do I use it on React? Okay, I guess this is the real favicon.js. This is favicon.js.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Basic demo. Okay, let's see the basic demo. So this is completely using jQuery,
Yeah.
and
So it is a dependency. Oh
I'm
my
just
goodness.
thinking about this way. So look at this. They have not done anything related to the DOM manipulation at all, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try using it. So it is favicon.js, right? So
Yeah, right.
favicon.js. So I'll just add it as a dependency, and then when the document loads or when we click on something, let's try to do console.log. What exactly they are looking for? They're looking for new favicon, something like this. Okay, let's see if this actually works. Now, if I try to click on cat, could not consume error, something is really wrong.
So,
Oh, I guess we terribly messed it up. Let me see what I can do. Let's see the console. Favicon is not defined, as simple as that. Okay, so for
okay,
some
let's look
reason it
at
is not.
their box.
Right. Maybe we can try window.favicon. Undefined. Not working. Right. So we can't directly insert a thing here. So let's go back. Let's see the Angular JS demo, what they have done so far. So this
Yeah.
is definitely working. So view 1, view 2. Fine. How am I so? Okay, the source is here. Oh, cool. They removed the source.
Who's in? Oh, someone is calling.
Okay, okay, sure, no problem. Okay, whoever is watching in the chat, do you have any idea how we can do this? I'm now completely not sure how to make it work. Okay. Uh, Ankit, I don't think it is not the right way to do it because we are using React. We are not going to use common JS imports. Uh, oh, wait. You are right. Ankit, you are right. You saved it. You are right. Shit, what am I doing? I guess I got since I did not I need to do import favicon from favicon.js. You're right, Ankit. Okay, I guess I totally forgot about that one. So there you go. Ankit is the savior. So now if we try to do something here and if I refresh this thing, clear everything, click on, oh, yes, we do have it. But I'm not sure whether this
Yeah,
is
we
going
were
to be
not
the right
importing
thing.
it.
And yeah, so I guess we got something correct. Let's go back to this one. So all we need to do is we need to do this way. Animation fade. Let's go with the fade one.
Yeah.
And new favicon. Animation is fade. And favicon.badge. That is what we need to change. Cool. So we can give some kind of like how many times you have clicked it. So I need to use
Yeah,
the
yeah.
state. So what I can do is const count set count. So this is going to be React use state. So
Yeah.
use state and it's going to be 0. Now,
Increase it on every click.
yes. So I just need to add like set count plus 1. So that works. And now I just need to do favicon.badge of count. That's it.
Yeah.
So first thing I need to set this one, then favicon.badge of count. Please make this work. Okay, let's refresh this whole thing. Nothing in the console, all clear. Everything is looking good. Cat. Sorry, it didn't work. Oh, hey, it worked.
Oh, it is working.
So we have 2 notifications for cat. 3. And it also comes in like.
Okay.
I seriously have no clue how they have done this. This looks really nice. How many of you are able to see it?
I guess we should zoom it a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know how am I gonna zoom this part. Hey, I'm using a Mac. Do anyone know how to zoom this part a bit other than me using a crazy way of like screenshotting this one and taking it in preview, opening in like this? Look at this, folks. We can see some faint 6 here with a cat symbol. That's the best thing I can do. Any preview, anything like Mac Zoom? Okay.
What was that previous thing?
Oh, not this Zoom. Zoom screen. All I need to do is
it was a jugaad thing you did
command
right
equal.
now.
Hey, this is nice. Okay, option command equal. Nothing works. Hey, thanks, folks. I'm gonna try learning something new. I guess I need to use keyboard shortcuts to do Zoom. So that's in the accessibility properties. Oh, there is Zoom already here. Okay, how do I zoom this? Like if I'm not using the Zoom. Okay, so this is something like option command 8 minus and equal to. Okay, great. If you have here option command 8, whoa, option command plus. Okay, I hope everyone is able to see this. Option command slash. Nope, it not works.
No.
Option command 8. Gone back. Hey, nice. I learned something new. Woohoo. Okay, let's go for accessibility and I'm gonna remove that one. I don't want it to mess up with something. Okay, so how was it so far? I guess I'll just switch off my share screen. So, hey folks, so how was it so far? What do you think? Let's look into what people say. Hey Konaki. Hey Manish. Manish is your brother, right?
Yeah.
Hey Manish. Nice
Thanks
to
for
meet you.
joining, Manish.
Thanks for joining, Manish. Thank you. Hey, we did it in a successful way. That too within like almost like 36 minutes. That's cool. And we have got like nearly nice people here. Thanks, Sunil. Thanks, Shriyansh. And hey, Kushi Yadav is also here. Hey, Kushi Yadav. Ankit. Thanks, Ankit. Ankit is actually the savior of today. So, Ankit,
Yeah,
thank you. I learned
definitely.
something from you. See, this is the problem that happens when I don't prepare previously and just directly go on a Saturday morning. For me, it is early morning here, and I jump into things and I kind of make the the mess completely. I'm so sorry.
Horrible mistakes.
Horrible mistakes can be seen here, like right now.
Yeah, but
Hey,
it's okay. It's a
yesterday
part of development, right?
it's a part and parcel of development. Hey, Shreya, I need you to tell about what happened yesterday with Eddie, and we should do something like that,
Oh,
like a
oh
Praveen
yeah.
FM or something like that.
Oh, yesterday that we were talking about Eddie's FM.
Eddie
So
FM.
you should keep your FM name as like in India we have Radio Mirchi. Right?
So since I'm from Tamil Nadu, can I say like Praveen Madagai?
What does that mean?
Mirchi.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe Big
Interesting.
Praveen. Yuck. I don't want to be with
No.
Reliance.
Let's have suggestions from our audience.
Okay, so folks, this is awesome. So this we got this superb idea today. So whoever is there in the current live chat, they can also jump in and talk in the live stream. So it's not just live chat. So for example, Deep. Okay, I'm gonna do something now right away. I'm gonna
Okay.
make Deep to come inside here and to talk him. Praveen Mircha. Hey bro, no Hindi. Leave it. I don't know Hindi. Hindi nahi
Oh,
malum.
you are Indian.
I'm a
You should
Chennai.
know Hindi.
No, nothing like that. There is no
Okay.
reason for me to learn Hindi even if I'm an Indian, right?
Yeah, that's absolutely your choice. But you
Yeah.
might know, na, you were grown up in India only.
You come to Tamil Nadu and see no one, most of them know Hindi. Okay, even I know to read and write Hindi, but we choose not to talk. That's it, simple. It's not
Oh,
like
okay.
a hatred or something, but there were like so much big backstories, like imposing stuff and stuff. So I mean,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it's a kind of like a crazy thing. But
Yeah, it's
yeah,
okay.
yeah, it is going crazily political. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
try
yeah.
bringing Deep into the stream. So let's do it. So I'm just gonna send Deep something here. I don't know if that's going to work, but let's try. Um, but in that case, I haven't. Like I'm just gonna switch off the screen so that I can try getting Deep in. Okay, so hey, in the meantime, Shriya, do you want to say something to him? Like say something to the whole stream. That will be bad,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I'm very happy that all my friends and all the React enthusiasts have joined it. We
Hey,
were late a little bit one minute, but I guess we have rocked the session.
hmm so we are somehow I'm somehow trying to pull Deep inside to. Oh yeah, Deep is here actually. I believe. Hey Deep.
Yeah, hey, Deep is
Yes,
connecting.
Deep has got connected. Just give me a second. Hey Deep.
Hey, he's
Um,
in mute right now.
yes, he's in mute right now. Just give us a few seconds. I'm just gonna do something like I'll turn off my video so that you can see both of them. So it's like
Hey, what's
it's
up? Hey, sorry, go ahead.
Hi,
Hi, Shriya.
hi
Hi,
Deep.
Praveen.
Hi.
Hello, everyone.
hello everyone. This is not my channel now anymore. Hey Deep.
We have hijacked your channel.
Yeah, what's
Yeah,
happening, guys? Oh my God, where am I? This is
There's
bad.
no problem here. This is Deep's and Shriya's channel. So yeah,
yeah.
tell us
So
what do you want us to do on this channel? Now it's not for
yeah,
me. Now it's not a
Oh
technical
no!
channel. We can have fun.
Angel Hack has actually invaded. No.
So yeah,
Hey, Shreya,
great session,
yeah,
guys.
yeah.
quick help. Turn off your
Yeah.
video for a moment.
Okay. You wanna join in?
Yeah, please, 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 please. Okay, so I have kicked out Shreya now. Shreya is like just a voice.
It's okay.
Nice. So, hey, yep, I just wanted to introduce Deep here. So, Deep is doing awesome stuff, and we are having this Angel Hack Hackathon as well. Deep, how is it going on so far? And I'm going to talk
It's
tomorrow, right? Yay!
yeah, so tomorrow we have a mentor session with Praveen where he'll mentor the participants and see how the progress is, how they are doing, if they have any questions, if they have any queries, if they are facing any
Yeah,
roadblocks. Praveen is going to help. That's gonna be amazing. But yeah, overall game is going good. There is a lot of traction. We have good speakers lined up. We also have Praveen who is going to speak. So really exciting stuff. Uh, the end result is something that I'm looking forward to. How people come up with
Yes.
nice
yeah.
Hey, by
games.
the way, folks, if you are not having any clue what is happening right now, he's talking about Angel Hack. Hey, sorry, man, it's Gilmaton. You have to tell about that. Just give a quick intro.
Sure,
Yeah, please give
sure.
a intro.
Yeah, for
And
those who
maybe
don't know,
Shreya might also be interested in knowing that.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
oh, yeah, that's great. So yeah, so we have organized a gameathon with US Consulate. Angel Hack is the organizer. The idea is to enable participants, to enable developers, enable game developers to create games to fight COVID. So this is a 1 month long gameathon. It started on 12th of February. Tomorrow is the last day to register. Uh, the whole concept is once you get 1 month long time to build a game, you create a team inside. If you have a team already, you can bring in your team, and then this month, like the whole month, the whole thing, we have speakers who have who have scheduled to talk with you. For example, today we have the head of UX of MX Player.
Yeah.
He's a really
Oh,
cool guy
Shreya
who
kicked
knows
me.
some great UX stuff.
Okay.
So yeah, we have this kind of people lined up. We have Praveen who is going to speak about his topics. He can choose whatever he wants to speak about. So yeah, that's how the 1 month is going to be. So
Yeah,
yeah,
being a non-gamer, I don't know how am I gonna do a game thing, but yes, thanks to Deep for giving me constant motivation. Hey, you should invite Shreya to do something. Just get her into trouble, na?
What
sure. Yeah,
trouble
I
like
like
what?
people. I like getting people into trouble. So yeah, what kind of trouble do you want?
I don't know. I don't like getting
do
into troubles.
so yeah, maybe we can take it offline and see how we can work together on this. But it would be
Yeah,
great to have you be a part of the gameathon as a
yeah,
mentor,
okay.
participant, speaker. Open to discuss.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
would be.
yeah, okay, definitely. I will try to join it. So when is it starting? Can you give some more details?
Sure. So the gameathon is already started. Um,
Last week.
Last week. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna change this title to hijacked or something like that. Oh, wait, Deep is gone. Oh
So
my God,
network problem.
I believe so. Yep, it's Deep. That's so bad.
Damn.
Deep, where are you? Oh no. Yeah, couldn't find him again.
We
Hey,
lost
sorry,
him.
folks.
We lost him.
Yeah, he's gone. I don't know what happened to him. Sorry, folks.
It's
Okay,
okay.
so
We will
once Deep
do.
comes in, like
Yeah.
we can do something. Until then, like, hey, folks. So how was this thing? So bringing someone in the live stream to talk on my channel or something. Now we have switched places. Now looks like Shreya is on the other side of me, and cool. So what do you think? What do you feel, folks? Hijacked by two angels. Nice. That's a good idea. Good way to do it. Cool one. All right. So I hope this was really fun. I had real fun explaining these things, and thanks to our savior, who is it again? I guess it's Ankit Chowdhury. Ankit,
Yeah.
thank you so much. And to answer your question, Bootstrap versus Material UI, what is your recommendation? That's actually a good question.
I
Uh,
prefer Bootstrap.
I prefer Bootstrap as well because from the day I started working with HTML and CSS, I have been working with Bootstrap
Yeah,
only.
same here. I just used Material UI once, but both are good. We can have any of them. It's just which one you are comfortable with.
Exactly. And one more thing, I just used Material UI once and I quit the company.
Damn. It's
Sorry.
okay.
Yeah, happens. So whichever you like, please go ahead with that.
Yeah.
Bootstrap is very fairly easy to learn, and since like 99.9% of all the websites are built using Bootstrap, you have a huge community support, a lot of people to support you with these things. So that's something which I would say. And yeah, so yeah, it's time for me to like update the title with hijacked or something like that. And so I can actually do a small trailer of this as well. So this is looking really nice. So yeah, thanks a lot for
And
tuning
yeah,
in.
I also want to thank everyone for joining in. And we will have our next session. Praveen will do the next session. Yeah, right? You can introduce
Hopefully
that
they
too.
won't hijack me this time, but
Yeah.
unfortunately Deep already hijacked me in a way. Tomorrow I am working for Deep, so tomorrow I'm not going to do 30 days of React, but instead the same time today, tomorrow we'll be doing something on uh, for something for Angel Hack. It's about some kind of a game stuff, so let's see how it goes, and I hope it is gonna be awesome.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so see you all, folks. Then we want to say bye, Shreya, and we can put the
Yeah.
end screens.
Yeah.
Bye.
I hope everybody had fun here today with us. And
Yes.
bye, everyone. We'll
Tada.
hope to see you soon
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Bye.
Please tune in tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and every next day. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.